Hello everyone, welcome back to your kingdom. So, today's topic self doubt. You know that little nagging voice inside our head that keeps telling us, "You can't do this. You have tried this before and failed. Are you kidding? Have you ever succeeded in anything? You're going to fail. Or you can't do this." And all these voices that keeps going inside our head. That little sneaky spell that bounds us and clouds our head and stops us in this track, in our tracks. Well, in this video, we are going to break that spell, break free. So, think about how many opportunities you have missed because you were caught by your own fear, your own self-doubt, that dream job that you wanted to apply for, that one question that you wanted to ask in class. Speak up in a meeting. Say something in your family. Say something in your peer group. All these things that you could have done, or so many opportunities that you could have grabbed, you didn't, or you couldn't, because of this small voice that kept saying, "You can't do this." And most of the times, this voice isn't even true. It's just a story that we keep telling ourselves. So, how do we move forward from this? Let's see. So, these are some simple, your go-to spell breaking tools. Breaking the spell of your self-doubt. First, ask yourself whether whatever story that you're trying to tell yourself, is it true or not? First step is to break the lies. Whenever this question comes up in your mind, will I be able to do this? Am I good enough for this? Stop, pause, and ask yourself, where is this coming from? Is this coming from your past habits? Is this just a way of your brain to stop you from trying something new? Because most of the times, it's not really based on true facts. Habits, yeah, sure. But most of the time, our brain is stopping us from trying something new. Because it doesn't know, it's an unknown region. And that's normal. But you need to stop and ask yourself whether the story you're telling yourself, is it true? Or is it just a fear based on lies? Or just your inner voice trying to protect you from going in an unknown region? But sometimes you need to go in an unknown region to grow. Now, second, change your inner conversation. The words we use are very, very powerful. Instead of saying, "I can't," say, "How can I take one small step towards this?" Only one, not even a big one. Or, "How will I advise my friend who's trying to approach the same goal?" Or, "What can I learn so that I can become better and become more confident so that this goal or the step that I'm trying to take doesn't scare me?" Or you can say that sometimes when you say that I'm not good enough, instead of saying I'm not good enough, say that I'm in my growing and learning process. I don't need to be perfect. I need to be better than yesterday. And even if I'm not better than yesterday, it's fine. I'll be better tomorrow. Your words are very, very powerful. So use them to build yourself, not to tear yourself down. The world is there to tear you down. You don't have to do it for yourself. At least you should be that one person who lifts yourself up. Now, third point. This third point is little scary, but you need to take that one action. No advice, no amount of YouTube video is going to make any impact on you unless you take that one action. It doesn't need to be big. It needs to be that small action that you're hesitating to take. For example, sending that one mail to your boss, which you were doubting whether should I send it or not. Or starting a conversation with that one person who you thought might be interesting, but you never had the courage to approach them. Or ask questions in class, which you had doubts about, but you were too scared to ask. These are some of the small steps which will help you build your confidence. Because only in these small steps, when you get success, This builds up your confidence for long term, and your self-doubt automatically fades away. So, these are 3 go-to tools that'll help you to build your self-confidence and break your self-doubt. If this video gave you any information, lit a small fire inside your heart, then subscribe to the Arpita Dynasty. This kingdom is yours. Comment, I choose my power, and seal your royal vow. Use your words to build yourself. Use your words to build your dynasty. Don't break yourself down. Don't tear yourself down. The world is ready to do that for you. You need to be the one who lifts yourself up. Thank you.